What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted in a while, and reason for that is, due to the car and, the repairs that need to be done. So I haven't been like in the mood to make a video with the car because this is like a memory that I do not, want to keep, have showing a lot of videos. So therefore, I paused videos with the car until this one that now I am taking it to the shop. It's finally gonna get fixed after almost 2 months. Crazy, but nonetheless, car's gonna be gone for, I hope not too long, maybe 2 weeks, a little less, who knows. But yeah, I'm taking it there at the moment. I have somebody that's gonna pick me up because I gotta drop it off, then I gotta go pick up a rental. So it's so it's going to be a pretty busy day. But I just wanted to update you guys on it, on the process of the car, on what's going on with it. So yeah, I'll make another video letting you know when the car comes back, and I'll show you how it looks after. So yeah, hope everything turns out right. Hope the car looks like nothing happened to it, and we can start doing more videos with it. I have a couple of tech things I want to do to the car to update the interior a bit. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.